Yes. Okay, so let's start. So what's first? I will take the question answer practice. Now, question answer practice, as we already discussed, there are the two ways. First is the simple tenses कि do, does के साथ आप start कर सकते हो, has, have के साथ start कर सकते हो. The second structure is the WH family. WH family जैसे when, why, where, what, how, these are all the WH families. There is nothing big change in the WH family. Just you have to start with if WH family, तो आपको जो helping verb है वो पहले लिखना. Subject से पहले you have to keep the helping verb if you are making any interrogative sentence. This only the thing you should keep into your mind. You cannot ask when you do usually eat breakfast. This is wrong. Whenever you make the interrogative sentences, you always take the helping verb before the subject. When do you usually eat breakfast? When do you usually eat breakfast? Ab suppose Pragna ji is asking this question to Ashu. Guys, if there is no noise, so please unmute yourself. Ashu, now be quick. Pragna ji, ask this question with Ashu.
When do you usually eat breakfast?
Ashu, now you have to give the answer in the same form of tense.
Ma'am, I usually eat breakfast at 9 a.m.
Okay, very nice. I usually eat breakfast at 9 p.m. Very nice. Ashu, again you ask the same question with Pragna ji. Pragna ji will give the answer.
Ma'am, when do you usually eat breakfast?
I eat my breakfast usually around 8 p.m. 8 a.m.
8 a.m. I usually just try to make this word usually with the subject. Yes. I usually eat my breakfast around 8 a.m. Okay. Okay. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Whatever the sentence. Okay. Now Reena and Seema. Reena, ask this question with Seema.
Who cooks dinner in your family?
I cook dinner in my family.
Now your turn, Seema.
And who cooks dinner in your family?
My maid cooks dinner in my family.
My maid नहीं Reena, इसको बोलते हो my cook. My cook.
Cook.
हाँ, maid
My
बोलना
cook.
थोड़ा हाँ. My cook. बोलो.
Cook. My cook cooks dinner in my family.
My family. ठीक है. अब देखो एक question. If you read this question, any one thing which you analyzed. Read this question. Who cooks dinner in your family? Any one thing which you realized in this sentence?
Cooks. Ma'am, here word cooks. Cooks.
अच्छा, इस sentence को read करो.
When do you
usually eat breakfast?
And what is this sentence?
Who cooks dinner in your family?
Anything is
helping
missing?
verb is missing.
Helping verb is missing, guys. और अभी हमने क्या बोला था कि whenever you have to construct the sentences with the WH family, you just take the helping verb before the subject, right? But यहाँ पर क्या है? Whenever you have to construct into simple present. Simple present मतलब जब आपको वो use नहीं करना. There is no subject in this sentence. There is no subject in this sentence. So you simply say, who cooks dinner into your family? Who cooks dinner into your family? Simple. My mom cooks dinner. Okay. Now, Sumit and Pankaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Pankaj ask this question to Sumit.
What time do you usually wake up on weekdays?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m. in the morning on weekdays.
Again, Sumit, be clear. Again, repeat this sentence.
I usually wake up around 7 a.m. in the morning on weekdays.
नहीं Sumit, जब आप AM word ही use कर रहे हो तो no need to say in the morning. AM का मतलब ही है morning.
Okay, okay.
ठीक है, sometimes we unnecessary adding. No, if you are saying AM का मतलब morning है सुमित, AM का मतलब PM night नहीं है. I usually wake up at 7 AM on weekdays.
On weekdays.
On weekdays. Now ask this question to Pankaj.
Sir, what time do you usually wake up on weekdays?
Usually I get up early in the morning on weekend.
Early in the morning on weekdays.
Weekends.
Weekdays की बात हो रही है यहाँ पर.
Okay,
Weekdays
okay.
क्या होते हैं?
Sorry.
What are the weekdays?
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
Friday
Except
अब यूजली हम नहीं कंसीडर करते गाइस. ठीक है, लेकिन ठीक है, आजकल होने भी लग गया है. Friday can be considered, Friday can't be considered. So, but Monday to Friday, weekdays, Saturday, Sunday, our
Weekend.
weekends. Okay. Now, Lokesh, ask this question with Sangeeta.
Is she brushing her teeth?
Yes, she brushing her teeth.
Yes के बाद क्या बोला Sangeeta?
She is brushing her teeth.
Yes,
She
she is brushing her teeth. Okay, Sangeeta asked the same question. Okay. Now ask this question with the.
Are they practicing the piano?
Yes, they are practicing the piano.
No.
Yeah, okay. Yes, they are practicing the piano.
Piano.
Yes, they are
Piano.
practicing the piano. ठीक है. Okay. Now, Sudha has anyone who has left?
Yes, ma'am. Hi. Myself. Aziz.
Mr. Aziz.
Acha, Aziz has left. I think one more participant has left. Sudha has left. Sudha?
ma'am.
I am there, ma'am.
Sudha.
Munit.
Okay. Munit, I will come to you. Sudha, ask this question with Aziz.
Are they painting a picture?
Yes, they are painting a picture.
Yes, they are painting a picture. Now, Aziz, you ask this question with Sudha, and Sudha, you have to make in negative form.
Are they painting a picture?
No, they are not painting a picture.
No, they are not painting a picture. Excellent. Okay. Munit,
Yes, ma'am.
ask.
Another country.
Have you ever visited another country?
Have you ever visited another country? Ask this question with Sumit.
Okay. Yeah, I have visited many countries.
Okay,
So
I
many.
have visited many countries. Seema, what is your answer?
No, I don't visited another country.
I
I
don't
did.
know. No.
I did not.
Nahi,
I
why?
did not.
Why?
I haven't.
I
I haven't.
haven't.
I have
Question
not
में देखो
visited
ना
any
have
country.
लिखा है.
Okay,
Question में
okay.
अगर have है तो आपको आंसर भी have या have not में करना होगा.
Okay. I haven't visited another country
Another country yet. Another country yet.
yet.
ठीक है, वो अगर yet अगर मतलब अभी तक बोलना चाहते हो, मैंने अभी तक नहीं की है, तो अभी तक की इंग्लिश क्या होती है?
Yet.
Yet. अभी तक
Yet.
की इंग्लिश होती है yet.
Right.
Yeah, you can also say, as Sumit has told, yes, I have visited many countries. I have visited many countries. This is also okay. Yes, Aziz, ask this question with Pankaj.
Pankaj, has your school started the new term?
Yes, of course. I started the new term.
I have.
Has your school started the new term?
My
Yes,
school
our
has.
school had started.
Yes, Seema?
Yes, my school.
Yes, my school had started
Started
the
the new
new
term.
Yes,
term.
my school has started the new term. If you want to give the answer in negative form, then
No.
No,
Hasn't.
my
My
school
school has not
hasn't
started the new
started.
term.
has not
Started the
started
new
the new term.
Hmm.
Okay. Pragna ji, ask this question with the Reena.
Have you ever received a scholarship?
No, I haven't. I haven't received a scholarship.
No, I haven't received a scholarship. Up now, Pragna ji, if you want to give the answer in the yes form, then
Yes, I have received many scholarships in schools and colleges.
Very good, very good. Yes, I have received many scholarships in school and college. यहाँ पर ever का मतलब क्या है संगीता? What does it mean ever?
कभी
हाँ?
कभी भी
कभी भी, हाँ
कभी भी
कभी भी आपने कभी भी रिसीव करी है स्कॉलरशिप्स? कभी भी की इंग्लिश होती है एवर.
Actually, ma'am, this sentence like this, never ever कीजिए in place of.
नेवर मतलब होता है कभी नहीं. नेवर
Yes,
मतलब
yes,
होता है
ma'am.
कभी नहीं.
I have never received the scholarship.
I
have never received a scholarship.
Yes. Okay. Next. Now Sangeeta, ask this question with Lokesh.
Lokesh, how many times have you visited a theme park?
How many times have you visited theme park? Yes, I visited theme park so many times.
Yes.
I have
visited theme park so many times.
I have visited a theme park so many times is also right, or 3 times, 4 times, whatever you want. I have visited.
Many times.
Yeah, I have.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sudha asked this question with Ashu.
Who is cooking dinner for the family tonight?
I am cooking the dinner for the family tonight.
Okay, ask the same question with Sudha.
And who is cooking dinner for the family tonight for you?
I am cooking dinner for the family tonight.
I am. It is really practicable. यहाँ तो क्लास ले रहे हो तुम 9 बजे. तो इसे मैंने तो यहाँ पर आई लिखा ही नहीं. ग्रैंड माँ, ठीक है. वैसे और तो ग्रैंड माँ नहीं है यहाँ पे, मदर इन लॉ लिखना चाहिए था मुझे. What you have been doing all morning? What does it mean? Can anyone tell me? Sumit, what is the Hindi translation of this sentence?
Have you been doing?
All morning.
तुम सुबह से क्या कर रहे हो?
तुम सुबह से क्या कर रहे हो? You, what have you been doing? What have you been doing? What have you been doing? Because अगर आप बोल,
And what's the meaning of this sentence in Hindi?
आप सुबह से क्या कर रहे हो?
Since नहीं आना चाहिए था यहाँ पर. Since
All
what have you been doing since morning?
That is also
All morning is there, no?
हाँ, all morning. All morning लगा दिया हमने since की जगह. What have you been doing all morning? बनाओ इसका sentence, इसको हिंदी में. Oh, sorry, हिंदी कह रही हूँ. इसका इंग्लिश बनाओ. Answer दो. Aziz, give the answer.
I have been in the office since morning.
I have been office since morning. Okay, Seema.
Yes, I have been in school since morning.
Sangeeta.
I have been cleaning my house all morning.
Okay, I have been reading a book. कभी कभार पढ़ी लिखी भी बातें कर दिया करो. I have been reading a book. I have been reading a book. I have been reading a book. ठीक है, been word use करा था. Seema, have you used the word have been? I have been. आपने sentence
Yes, ma'am.
बोला था Seema?
I have been in school
अच्छा, I have.
since morning, ma'am.
ठीक है. Okay, guys, I'm taking the last sentence and after that I will come to the usages. Okay. Yes, Pankaj, ask this question with Ashu.
How long have you been living in this city?
I have been living in the city since 35 years.
Okay,
What,
ask the
35?
same question.
And how long have you been living in the city?
I have been living in this city a long time.
I have been here for 5 years.
5 years.
I have been here for 5 years. That is also okay. अच्छा, how long का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पर?
कितने समय से?
कितने समय से? तो उसके लिए आप इंग्लिश बनाओगे how long. ठीक है? I will share this whole PPT. There are many questions, guys. So just this is only for your practice. The more questions you will ask, the more answers you will get. This is a sort of your practice. ठीक है? Okay, now I am coming to the usages. Although we have done the usages. Okay, so sentences, we have discussed the 12 forms of tenses. We have discussed the 12 form of tenses.
Yes.
Present, past, and future, and again present is divided into 4, past is divided into 4, and future
is also divided
is
into
divided into 4. ठीक है?
Yes,
Now
yes.
we are going to discuss all the usages again. कि किस situation में हमें कौन सा tense use करना है.
Yes, yes.
ठीक है? चलो. Now, if we talk about the simple present, now guys, I'm not discussing the rules. Rules you know very well. कि if you want to construct that sentence into the simple present, तो उसके लिए क्या structure आप use करेंगे?
Yes.
Subject plus verb plus object. This is a structure. If it is a singular subject, you have to put the singular verb. If it is a plural subject, you have to put the plural verb. But in this situation, you have to use the simple present. Whenever we talk about the facts, whenever we talk about the daily habits and routines, whenever we talk about our feelings and emotions, and whenever we talk about the general truth or the facts are same. Fact, I live in Poland. Yeah, I live in Delhi. This is a fact. मैं दिल्ली में रहती हूँ. तो मैं I cannot make this sentence. चाहे मैं 1980 से रह रही हूँ, लेकिन मैं fact है. This is a fact कि I live in Delhi. So I always construct this sentence in simple present. I live in Delhi. Cannot use I lived in Delhi. I have been living in Delhi. No, I lived in Delhi. Simple if you are talking about a fact. ठीक है? मैं daily yoga करती हूँ. This is my daily routine. This is my daily routine. So I always say I do yoga daily. I do yoga every day because whenever we talk about the general our habits and the routines. मैं रोज सुबह 7 बजे उठती हूँ. क्या बनाओगे इसकी इंग्लिश?
I wake up.
I wake up 7 a.m.
I
daily.
wake up at 7
a.m.
a.m.
every morning.
Daily.
Daily.
Every day.
Every day, daily. This is your daily routine.
Mm.
ठीक है? इमोशंस एंड पिज्जा वो मुझे पिज्जा पसंद है. ये मेरा इमोशन है, मेरी फीलिंग है. मुझे पिज्जा पसंद है. सो आई लाइक पिज्जा.
I like pizza. He likes pizza. She likes pizza.
जनरल
We
ट्रूथ.
like pizza.
संडे कम्स आफ्टर सैटरडे. दिस इज अ जनरल ट्रूथ. ये जनरल ट्रूथ है. जनरल ट्रूथ मतलब दैट इज एक्सेप्टेबल ऑल ओवर द यूनिवर्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि दिल्ली में ही
Universal truth.
सैटरडे के बाद आता है. वेदर
You
यू
can
आर
say
इन
thumb rule.
पाकिस्तान, वेदर यू आर, हाँ, दिस इज अ थंब रूल. दिस इज अ जनरल फैक्ट. सो व्हेन
Universal truth.
Universal truth.
यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. इसकी इंग्लिश क्या बनाओगे? हेमा, हेमा यू हैव जस्ट जॉइंड हियर. वीडियो मैम अभी खोला है, बस ज्वाइन तो पहले
Yes,
किया हुआ
yes.
है ना. अच्छा चलो हेमा, इसकी इंग्लिश बनाओ. सूरज पूरब से उगता है.
The sun.
The sun rise in the east.
Sunrise.
द सन
Sunrise. in the
Sunrise.
east.
rises. Sun
Rises.
Yes.
Rises in the east.
rises in the east. Because this is the general fact. General fact. You cannot say the sun rose or the sun is rising. No, this is a general fact. You always use the present indefinite. Routine. I get up in the morning. This is my routine. Routine. My son goes to school every day. मेरा बच्चा रोज स्कूल जाता है. This is his daily routine. So you cannot say my son went or my son is going. You always say the my son goes.
Yes.
I drink coffee every day. This is my habit. This is my habit. मैं daily coffee पीती हूँ. प्रज्ञा जी, how to make this sentence? मैं daily green tea पीती हूँ.
I drink green tea every day.
Yes, I drink green tea every day. I drink green tea every day. संगीता, संगीता,
Yes,
वह मेरा बेटा daily cold coffee पीता है.
My son drinks cold coffee daily.
हाँ, my
Every
son
day.
drinks. My son drinks. My son drinks.
Drink.
Something is missing.
ठीक है? So these are the habitual sentences. अगर negative में होगा तो does not और do not लगाना है, और अगर positive है तो simple verb का first form के साथ s या es put करना है if the subject is singular. Universal fact, it is clear the sun rises in the east. It is a universal fact. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is a universal fact. This is not acceptable that if I boil the water in Delhi, then it will boil at 100 degrees. No, if you boil in your area, maybe in Uttar Pradesh, you are in Hyderabad,
Yes.
the water हमेशा 100 degree पे ही boil करेगा. हिंदी में जब हम बोलते हैं तो ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि that we are talking about the future, कि water 100 degree Celsius पे boil करेगा. जैसे ही हमारे दिमाग में आता है करेगा, तो व्हाट टेंस इज कमिंग इनटू आवर माइंड?
Water will.
Future.
फ्यूचर। हम क्या
Future.
बनाएंगे? हम क्या बनाएंगे? द वाटर
Indefinite.
विल बॉयल एट 100 डिग्री। ठीक है, हम ये सेंटेंस बनाएंगे ना, द वाटर विल बॉयल, बट दिस इज रॉन्ग
Yes.
because here we are talking about the general fact. So we always say the water boils at 100 degree. ठीक है, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The sun goes round the sun. The sun goes round the sun. This is also acceptable. मतलब universal fact. Universal fact. Yes. Permanent situation के लिए भी you have to use present indefinite. Permanent situations. My sister lives in Chennai. This is a permanent situation. मेरी sister चेन्नई में रहती है, permanent है वो. So we can simply say my sister lives. जब काफी सालों से रह रही है, लेकिन permanent situation है. So lives. He works as a fireman. He works as a fireman. Permanent है, उसके लिए अभी permanent है, उसके पास और job नहीं है, so he works. He works. This is very important, guys. Future arrangements. Whenever we talk about the future arrangements, then again we have to make the sentences into simple present indefinite. The meeting starts at 4 p.m. Guys, if it is a future arrangement and it is fixed,
Okay, okay.
if it is a
Fixed.
future arrangement and it is almost due on the same time, it is fixed कि always meeting जो है वो 4 बजे ही start होगी. हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं होगी. हमारे माइंड को क्या सिग्नल जाएगा? The meeting
Future
will
का.
start. The meeting will start. But guys, if it is a future arrangement, suppose करो अभी दिन के 2 बजे हैं, and if you are saying कि चलो कॉफी के लिए चलते हैं, then you are saying नहीं यार मीटिंग स्टार्ट होगी 4 बजे. So you can, or and it is fixed. It is fixed कि every Monday you have a meeting at 4. It's a future plan, but it is permanent. So you can construct this sentence into simple present. The meeting.
Ma'am, only for the day. But future arrangement is only for the day. If the meeting will start tomorrow at 4 p.m.
देखो अगर लोकेश, if you are not मतलब this is not permanent कि maybe sometimes a meeting start at 4, sometimes a meeting start at 4:10, sometimes a meeting start at 5. It will fluctuate. It will vary. So then you can construct that sentence into simple future. The meeting will start. That is acceptable. But if it is fixed, जैसे सपोज करो आपका न्यूरो साइंस का सेशन है, ग्रामर का तो चलो ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग माय ग्रामर सेशन, बट सपोज इट इज अ न्यूरो साइंस सेशन एंड इट इज फिक्स्ड कि हर एक वेंसडे को वो 9 बजे ही स्टार्ट होगा. इट इज फिक्स्ड एवरी वेंसडे. सो हाउ यू विल कंस्ट्रक्ट दैट सेंटेंस?
Neuro class starts
session starts at 9
Starts
p.m.
at 9 p.m.
Starts at, जैसे आपने बोल दिया starts, तो इसका मतलब you are talking about the maybe the future arrangement, but it is fixed. It is fixed. The train leaves at the noon. कोई ट्रेन है जो हमेशा दिन को ही जाती है, उसका टाइमिंग फिक्स है, अभी वो जाएगी, अभी वो गई नहीं है, it is a future, but the timing is fixed. So then you have to construct that sentence into simple present. The next is the events that are certain to happen. ठीक है, इसके लिए भी हैं the events that are certain to happen. Moreover, both are same. My grandmother turns 90 this June. अभी मेरी जो grandma है वो 89 plus है. I am talking in the month of May. Next year वो obvious है वो 90 की ही होंगी. The things which are likely to happen means which are certain to happen कि ये तो होगा ही होगा. अगले साल वो 90 की होगी, 88 की नहीं होगी. So then again you will say that my grandmother turns 90 this June. लेकिन हम क्या बोलते हैं? Will turn 90. Will turn 90. But you can make turns 90. Winter starts on 21st of December. जैसे वो हमारा होता ना एक कि भाई डेट के अनुसार जो विंटर है वो 31st of December से स्टार्ट होता है, तो it is fixed. It is fixed. So then you can also say the winter starts on 21st of December. Next आता है आपका present continuous. Present continuous का मतलब होता है when the action is happening right now. एक्शन जो है वो हो रहा है, द डॉग इज रनिंग, द डॉग इज रनिंग, द एक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन, एक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन, द डॉग इज रनिंग.
Actually, ma'am, this sentence is very easy and very comfortable to speak. Anyone can speak in
Yes, yes.
You continue.
continuous.
I'm not getting you, Pankaj.
Anyone understood my point?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
क्या था? I didn't get.
Mostly, ma'am, he said that mostly we use present continuous while we talk, while we eat. Like, no, it's very simple to use.
Simple to use, but still there are some complications use also.
Yes, yes,
अभी तो this is a very basic use when the work is going on. When the work
Yes.
is going on, जब वो आपका action जो है वो चल रहा है, ठीक है?
Actually, ma'am, I am talking about a film.
Formation.
नहीं, a film Amitabh Bachchan, Sole. Chakki
Yes, I
piecing,
exactly thought the
chakki
same
piecing,
dialogue.
like that.
Chakki
This is
piecing.
funny language.
Yes. Whenever we talk in English, we start continuous.
Continuous tense, continuous tense.
It's very easy, ma'am.
It's very easy ना, अभी आएगा. It's very easy, but this is the first step. This is the first step. That it is very easy, and I'm very happy that if you guys are seems that it is very easy because क्योंकि वही चाहिए. So when the action is going on right now, you have to construct that sentence into simple present continuous. यार पिक्चर तो देख लो, मैंने इतनी मेहनत से पिक्चर डाली है. देख लो इस पिक्चर. ठीक है? So the action is going on. The action is going on. Suppose मुनीत आपको बनाना है ये सेंटेंस, ग्रामर की क्लास चल रही है.
Yes.
The grammar class is running.
The grammar class is going on.
Going on.
Going on.
The
ठीक है?
grammar class is going on.
हाँ हाँ.
Going
ठीक है.
on.
The grammar class is going on. The grammar
Going.
class is going on. लोकेश, मैं क्लास ग्रामर की क्लास सुन रहा हूँ.
I am listening the grammar classes.
Yes, I'm listening the grammar class. I'm listening the grammar class. प्रज्ञा जी, मैं ग्रामर की क्लास अटेंड कर रही हूँ इस समय.
I'm attending the grammar class.
Right now.
Right
इस
now.
समय की इंग्लिश क्या हुई? Right now. Right now. ठीक है? So these are the actions which you are doing right now.
ग्रामर क्लास चल रही है तो इसकी इंग्लिश जैसे द ग्रामर क्लास इज गोइंग ऑन की जगह हम हैपनिंग, द ग्रामर क्लास इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ
हाँ.
या गोइंग ऑन.
Going on ज्यादातर यूज होता है, happening भी ठीक है. This is a word you can use. She is sleeping now. If you see the picture and if you want to construct this sentence, तो आप क्या बनाओगे इसको? She is sleeping now.
Now.
वह अभी सो रही है. वह अभी सो रही है. Suppose if I ask to Reena, Reena, where is your daughter? And Reena is saying कि मैम वो खाना खा रही है. रीना कैसे बनाओगे इसको इंग्लिश में?
She is eating
Now.
right now.
हाँ,
She is eating
food.
now.
She is eating food now. बस she is eating. अगर इतना भी बोल दिया ना she is eating food, तो उसका मतलब ये है कि अभी वो जो एक्शन है वो चल रहा है.
चल रही है.
I'm drinking water. I'm drinking water. इस समय देखो सीधा पिक्चर, वो पानी पी रही है. The action is going on. I'm drinking water. The second usage is the action going on temporarily. The action going on temporarily. Permanent action के लिए कौन सा टेंस यूज करते हैं?
Present indefinite.
Simple
Present indefinite.
present indefinite, present indefinite. But the action is going on temporarily, मतलब अभी है लेकिन कुछ टाइम बाद खत्म हो जाएगा. In that cases also we have to use the present continuous. Like for example, my son is learning French. अभी सीख रहा है, 2 महीने के बाद इसका कोर्स खत्म हो जाएगा. टाटा बाय.
Okay, okay.
So this is a temporary action. This is a temporary action. Okay.
Yes.
ग्रामर की क्लास चल रही है, टेम्परेरी है.
Yes.
और अब 15, 20, 25 मिनट के बाद, no, I'm not discussing the time, otherwise Munit will saying कि मैम why you are asking the time. Okay, but अभी चल रही है, आधे घंटे के बाद ग्रामर की क्लास खत्म हो जाएगी. So the grammar class is going on. Temporary. Temporary. Temporarily action. My daughter is going to dance class. मेरी daughter dance class के लिए जा रही है. अभी जा रही है, बस उसके बाद खत्म. They are not talking with each other after the last argument. Temporary action they will soon make up. अभी नहीं बात कर रहे हैं, temporarily है, बाद में वो बात करने लगे. My kids are not talking with each other. My kids are not talking with each other because they have a fight. अभी नहीं है, temporarily है, बाद में वो बात करने लग जाए. This is very important, guys. Planned
Yes.
future action. Planned future action. If you are talking about the planned future action, then you have to construct the sentence into simple present continuous.
Continuous.
Present
Mhm.
continuous. Let me just read this sentence.
Next month,
Next month,
I'm going to my native
to
place.
my native place.
He'll be
Next,
going.
हाँ बोलो I
Ma'am, if
I will
next
be
month
going
I
to
will go to my
my
native place. It will be
will
wrong.
go to, yes. I will go to my native place. Lokesh, this is also right. But Lokesh, there is a little difference between I am going to my native place and I will go to my native place.
Yes, yes.
In which situation
And I
you
will be going, ma'am, if
हाँ नहीं देखो इसमें देखो डिफरेंस कहाँ है, कहाँ पर आपको फ्यूचर यूज करना है और कहाँ पर आपको
If
प्रेजेंट
plan is not fixed. Na, ma'am?
हाँ देखो गाइस, if the plan is fixed, if your
Yes.
future plan is fixed, आपकी
Fixed.
टिकट्स हो चुकी हैं, सब
Yes.
कुछ आपका बुकिंग हो चुका है, it is a future plan but it is fixed, then you have to use I am.
I am.
And suppose karo it's your 50-50 whether you can be go, whether you can't be, so it's a 50-50. It
Yes.
depends on the situation at that time. So then you can say next month I will go to
I will go. Yes.
And
This is-
suppose the date will fix next month on 12th. I will go to, then I will use the I will go to my native place. If the date is fixed.
if the date is fixed, so then you can
Then
use
I'm
will.
going.
हाँ नहीं, then you can use will. If the date is not
Then-
fixed, देखो यहाँ पर अभी कहाँ है, डेट फिक्स नहीं करा है हम, डेट इज
Yeah.
नॉट फिक्स, डेट इज नॉट फिक्स, बट वी आर वेरी मच श्योर कि मैं तो जाऊंगी ही जाऊंगी. So then you can say I am going. अगर आप सिंपल बोल रहे हो ना I am going, next देखो next month लगते ही it comes into your mind कि that we are talking about the future because we are talking about the next month. लेकिन next month के साथ अगर आप present continuous use कर रहे हो, so then it will come into your mind कि whatever the plans we have that are the fixed, that are the plan,
Important.
that are the plan. So this is the usages, the action which is happening right now. In that situation, we have to use planned future actions and the actions going on temporarily. Next आता है आपका usage of present perfect. Present perfect already we have discussed. Present perfect. Present perfect कहाँ use होता है?
यहाँ
सुमित,
पे काम हो गया है.
कोई काम हो चुका है.
Completed हो
I
चुका
have
है.
completed
काम
my
तो पास्ट
action.
में भी हो गया है.
अभी complete हो गया.
अभी
ma'am.
हुआ है, just
yes.
अभी.
Whenever the work has just finished. Whenever the work has just finished, in that scenario, we have to use present perfect. Completed action in the past. I have completed my homework. जब action जो है वो past में complete हो गया लेकिन अभी हुआ है. There is no long gap between the current time and the previous time. So then you have to use I have. I have. And if it is a long gap, so then what you have to use?
I completed
completed.
my
I
completed my homework.
I completed my work.
I
my homework.
completed my.
I completed my.
ठीक है. पंकज, मैंने ग्रामर की क्लास से पहले डिनर किया.
मैंने ग्रामर की क्लास से पहले डिनर किया.
हाँ.
I have dinner before the.
I have.
finished my
dinner.
dinner.
Done my dinner.
नहीं,
have
I
finished
have
my
to
dinner.
let him speak. Let him speak. Pankaj, speak loud.
I have taken dinner before the grammar class.
Yes, I have taken my dinner before the grammar class because just dinner के बाद ही grammar class start हो गया.
मैम इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. I had dinner before the grammar class.
I had dinner नहीं बोलेंगे आप. I had dinner नहीं, या फिर बोलो I have had. I have had dinner.
I have had dinner.
हाँ, अगर आपने I had बोल दिया ना लोकेश, so it means that you are talking about the past indefinite. And past indefinite means that there is a long gap between the current time and the existing
Past time. Yes, yes.
अगर आपने ये बोलना होता ना लोकेश, मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट किया है, मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट में राजमा
Yeah.
चावल खाए हैं, तब यू कैन से आई हैड राजमा एंड राइस इन माय ब्रेकफास्ट,
Yeah.
क्योंकि ब्रेकफास्ट खाया था सुबह, अब हो गया रात, 12 घंटे, इट्स अ लॉन्ग टाइम। ठीक है, कंप्लीटेड एक्शन इन द पास्ट, माय हस्बैंड हैज कम फ्रॉम द ऑफिस, ऑफिस से आने का काम हो चुका है। ठीक है, सपोज अभी अभी आए हैं तो इसलिए हैव। Life experience, whenever we talk about the life experiences, then we also say the present perfect, present perfect, moreover these are the same। मैंने recently ताजमहल visit किया है, मैंने recently ताजमहल visit किया है, I visited the ताजमहल or I have visited the ताजमहल,
Yes.
which
I
one
have
is right?
visited
I have
visited.
visited the ताजमहल। ठीक है, क्योंकि एक तो ये लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस है, मैं नहीं करा, और यहाँ पर एक वर्ड और यूज कर दिया हमने, रिसेंटली। रिसेंटली का मतलब अभी अभी करा।
अभी अभी।
आई हैव डन माई ग्रेजुएशन, मैंने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट की है, दिस इज माई लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट।
It means it is received recently. It is had been done.
Yes. Yes.
यस 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 यस, आई हैव डन माई ग्रेजुएशन, मैंने अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया है। ठीक है, दिस इज अ लाइफ अचीवमेंट, लाइफ अचीवमेंट टू कंप्लीट द ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री, अगेन इट्स अ लाइफ अचीवमेंट। ठीक है, माई सन हैज रिसीव्ड दिस अवार्ड, मेरे सन ने ये अवार्ड रिसीव किया है, दिस इज अगेन अ लाइफ अचीवमेंट, लाइफ अचीवमेंट।
इसमें अगर गैप भी होगा तो we can use it, ना
हाँ,
मैम?
then you
Not
can,
has to be removed.
no, if there is a gap, still it is acceptable, because here we are talking about the life achievement.
Life achievements.
सपोज आशु, आपको ये सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, मेरे बेटे ने ओलंपियाड में गोल्ड मेडल जीता है।
My son has my son has received
Won the.
my son has
My
won
son
won
won
the gold medal
gold
in
medal in
Olympiad.
In Olympiad, my son has won the
Won
gold
the
medal in Olympiad.
Olympiad.
इट्स अ लाइफ अचीवमेंट, इट्स अ लाइफ अचीवमेंट। लेकिन अगर यहाँ पर मैं थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट ये कर दूं, हेमा जरा इसका सेंटेंस बनाओ, मेरे बेटे ने 2020 में ओलंपियाड जीता है।
My son has won. My son has won the Olympiad award in 2020.
My son
My son has won the Olympiad award in 2020.
okay,
Son
okay,
had can also
my
come.
son had
my son had, नहीं had के बाद क्या बोलोगे? My son had
Receive won the award in.
my son
2000.
had won Olympia award in Olympiad.
okay, any more inputs?
My son won
My son,
won the Olympiad in 2020.
yes, my son won the Olympiad award in 2020, जो भी मैंने son बोला था। Guys, if you mention the year, if you mention the past time, so try to make that sentence into past indefinite. But if it is not the time is mentioned, and if it is a life achievement, so then you can construct that sentence into the present perfect. ठीक है, so these are the 3 examples. Next is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous का क्या मतलब होता है? Has been, have been, किस situation में हम use करते हैं? Present perfect continuous का मतलब होता है the action started in the past, but it is still continuing. Action start हुआ था past में, लेकिन वो अभी भी चल रहा है. That is simple present continuous tense.
Ma'am, that's the example of we joined ITQ batch last July and
We have been
continue with
joined.
this.
We have been
attending these classes.
हाँ, we have been attending the IDQ classes
In July.
Since July.
Since July.
since July. Very good. We have been attending the classes in IDQ of IDQ since July. July से start करा था, now it is the September, but still it is going on.
Going on.
So when the action started in the past, but it is still going on, so you have to construct that sentence into simple present perfect continuous. I have been, present perfect continuous में you have to use the since and for. Since we have to use when we talk about the specific period of time. And for you have to use whenever we are talking about the duration. Duration. सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. Sumit.
It has been raining since morning.
It has been raining since morning. It has been raining since morning. Aziz, 2 घंटे से बारिश हो रही है.
It's raining since 2 hours.
It has been raining.
It has been raining. It has been
For
raining
2 hours.
For 2 hours.
For
2
2 hours.
घंटे से. We are talking about the duration. 2 घंटे से.
It has been raining for 2
for
hours.
2 hours.
Okay.
हेमा 9 बजे से ग्रामर की क्लास चल रही है.
The class has been going. The class has been going on since 9 p.m.
9 a.m. The grammar class has been going on since 9 p.m. Very good. The grammar class start हुई थी past 9 बजे से, लेकिन अब बज गए हैं 10, but still the class is going on. The grammar class has been going on since 9 a.m. Ashu, grammar class पिछले 1 घंटे से चल रही है.
The grammar class has been going on for 1 hour.
पिछले 1 घंटे से बोला है मैंने.
Last 1 hour.
तो इससे पहले क्या बनाओगे? अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ
1 hour.
Since 1 hour.
since last 1 hour. Since last 1 hour. क्योंकि आशु देखो यहाँ पे मैंने मेंशन कर दिया ना, पिछला 1 घंटा. तो मतलब अगर 10 है तो ऑब्वियस है वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम 9. तो जब भी लास्ट वर्ड यूज करते हो ना, लास्ट, तो ऑलवेज यूज सिंस.
Okay.
और अगर ये सिंपल होता क्लास 2 घंटे से चल रही है, हमें नहीं पता कौन से 2 घंटे से चल रही है, so then you can say the class has been going on for 2 hours.
For 2 hours.
It has been raining for 3 hours. It has been raining for 3 hours. 3 घंटे से बारिश हो रही है. It has been raining for 3 hours. She has not been anything for a couple of days. 3-4 दिन से वह कुछ नहीं खा रही है. 3-4 दिन से इंग्लिश की इसकी इंग्लिश क्या बनाओगे?
Couple of days.
Couple of days.
Couple of
नहीं
days.
तो अब हम अभी हम क्या बनाते? For
3-4 days.
3 days.
for 3 days,
For
for
3
many
days.
days,
2 days.
for 2 days. ठीक है? तो थोड़ा सा अच्छी, तो for couple of days, couple of days, 2-3 दिन. Now past indefinite, we know the action completed in the past. The action completed in the past, that is the past indefinite. I completed my graduation in 2002. I completed my graduation in 2002. 2002 जो graduation जो complete action complete हो गया past में, मैंने graduation की degree अपनी complete कर ली, but I mentioned the past time, so that's why I have to construct this sentence into the past indefinite. I visited the Taj Mahal in 2003. मैंने ताजमहल विजिट किया कब? पास्ट टाइम में, 2003. Past continuous tense, guys, this is really important and different. देखो past continuous, whether we know the structure of the past continuous was, were and ing, लेकिन ये कभी समझ नहीं आता कि इसका हम यूसेज कहाँ करते हैं. तो बेसिकली ये डबल कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस में यूज होता है. ठीक है? जो एक्शन जो आपका पहले होता है, द एक्शन विच डन हैपेंड अर्लियर, दैट यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट इन पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, एंड द सेकेंड एक्शन यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट इन सिंपल पास्ट इंडेफिनिट. लाइक आई बर्न्ड माई हैंड व्हेन आई वाज कुकिंग. क्या हुआ? इसका हिंदी में मतलब क्या हुआ?
मैंने अपने
अपना
हाथ
हाथ
जलाए.
जला
मैंने हाथ अपना जला लिया जब मैं खाना बना
जब मैं खाना बना रहा था तब मैंने अपना हाथ जला लिया. जब मैं खाना बना रहा था, when I was cooking, I burnt my hand. वो जो एक्शन था वो पास्ट में चल रहा था. कौन सा एक्शन पास्ट में चल रहा था? खाना बनाने का एक्शन. कुकिंग,
खाना बनाना.
खाना बनाने का एक्शन. So when I was cooking, I burnt my hand. It was raining when I opened the door. जब मैंने दरवाजा खोला बारिश हो रही थी. पास्ट में वो एक्शन हो रहा था. पास्ट में whenever we are talking about the action was happening in the past, then in that situation you have to construct that sentence into past continuous. But past continuous basically you have to use in the compound sentences if you really want to see the beauty of these sentences. So first action you have to construct in past continuous, second you have to construct in simple past indefinite. When I was crossing the road, I met my friend. जब मैं रोड क्रॉस कर रहा था मैं अपने फ्रेंड से मिला. Phone rang when I was having my food. क्या मतलब हुआ?
फोन
मैं
बज
खाना
रहा
खा रही थी मेरा फोन बज रहा था.
हाँ,
फोन बज गया।
जब मैं खाना खा रही थी तब मेरा फोन बजा. बजा. जब मैं खाना खा रही थी, कौन सा एक्शन कर रहे थे आप पास्ट में? खाना खाने का.
खाना खाने का.
खाना खा रहे थे।
देखो दोनों एक्शन पास्ट में है, दोनों एक्शन. जो फोन भी बजा था वो भी पास्ट में बजा है.
लेकिन कब? जब जो भी.
हाँ, लेकिन कौन सा एक्शन उस समय कर रहे थे? आप खाना खा रहे. When I was having my food, the phone rang. The phone rang. Pragna ji, Sumit, Aziz, Lokesh. Give one sentence of this past continuous.
I met with an accident when I was traveling.
I met with an accident when I was traveling. Excellent. Excellent, Aziz. Yes. Next.
I got phone call when I was sleeping.
I?
Was sleeping.
No. What was the first sentence?
I got my phone call.
I got a call. Ocha, I got call when I was sleeping. Yes. I got the call from my office when I was sleeping. Very nice. Pragna ji?
When I was singing, the bell rang. The doorbell
When I was
rang.
cooking, the bell rang. Very nice. Lokesh?
Yesterday, when I was going to Rishikesh, then I met my friend.
Yesterday, when I was going to Rishikesh, I met
My
with
friend. Then I met my friend.
Then no use of using yesterday because here we are talking about the past continuous. Past का मतलब ही है कि that happened already. When I was going to Rishikesh, I met with my friend.
Yeah.
Past perfect. Past perfect का usage कहाँ होता है, guys? This is our last. Past perfect. क्या होता है? What, Pankaj, what is the structure of past perfect?
Had been, ma'am.
Had been.
Been
No,
till.
Had.
Had. Only had and had and
Third.
Had and third form.
Third
had
form.
and third form. But
Third form.
past perfect basically हम use करते हैं double compound sentences में that we already discussed. कि there are the two actions. The action, first completed action you have to make in past perfect and second completed action you have to make in past indefinite. Both the actions happened in the past. देखो guys, time, यहाँ पर time जो है वो present है. Time से अगर हम left side पे जाते हैं, so that is our past. And if we goes right side, that will be the future. In past perfect, both the action happened in the past. First action complete होता है past perfect में और second action complete होता है past indefinite में. जैसे for example, जब मैं examination hall में पहुंचा, papers distribute हो गए थे. Listen to me very carefully. जब मैं examination hall में पहुंचा, पेपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो चुके थे. इसमें दो एक्शन हुए हैं, दोनों एक्शंस पास्ट के हैं. जब मैं एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में पहुंचा, सपोज करो मैं अब अपनी फ्रेंड से बात करूंगी, आप पता है जब मैं कल एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में पहुंची ना, पेपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो चुके थे. बोथ एक्शंस हैपेंड इन द पास्ट. लेकिन कौन सा एक्शन पहले हुआ, जब आप एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में पहुंचे या पहले आपको पेपर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो चुके थे? पेपर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो चुके थे. तो पहला एक्शन कौन से टेंस में बनाएंगे?
पास्ट में.
Past perfect.
पास्ट परफेक्ट में. पास्ट परफेक्ट में. और सेकंड एक्शन कौन से फॉर्म में बनाएंगे?
Past indefinite.
पास्ट इंडेफिनिट.
पास्ट इंडेफिनिट. तो आशु बनाओ इसको, कैसे बनाओगे?
The paper had distributed when I reached the examination hall.
The paper had distributed. Perfect, perfect. It is perfect. But आशु यहाँ, हाँ, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक क्या हुआ है ना डियर? Someone doer should be there to distribute the papers. पेपर्स अपने आप ही तो उठ के नहीं जाएंगे ना
Had
स्टेज के
been.
ऊपर, तो यहाँ पर हैड बीन बनाना पड़ेगा, पैसिव वॉइस में बनाना पड़ेगा। द पेपर्स हैड बीन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बिफोर आई रीच द एग्जामिनेशन। पंकज,
Yes, ma'am.
जब मैं मूवी हॉल पहुंचा तो 3-2 स्टार्ट हो चुकी थी।
Oh, the film had started before I have reaching the hall.
बिफोर आई हैव क्यों आएगा, पास्ट इंडेफिनिट।
Oh, before I had reaching the movie hall.
What is the structure of past indefinite? Subject plus verb का second form.
Okay, ma'am.
Again make.
I reached.
हाँ, दोबारा से complete करो इस sentence को।
What is the sentence? Actually, I forget.
मूवी स्टार्ट हो चुकी थी।
मूवी स्टार्ट हो चुकी थी।
Okay,
मैंने तो
okay,
इतनी
okay,
अच्छी
okay.
मूवी का
Okay,
नाम
ma'am.
लिया। Have you gone through with this movie? 3-2?
Yes,
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
no, ma'am. Actually,
Actually में पंकज is so busy। क्या करना है पंकज इतना कमा कर? हैं?
no, ma'am. Actually, I have no interest to. Actually, I have seen in home theater, but I am not interested to movie hall.
Huh? You
I
are
never go
interest- You have interest to watch the movies where?
in home theater.
Home theater. You have a home theater also.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay,
So,
very nice.
Very rich.
Why I am wasting time to movie hall?
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we have a word with your wife? She will tell us the right answer. Because Pankaj, don't take in a negative way, but you are using your thoughts. You don't have the interest to go to the movie hall. Have you ever asked with your wife?
Yes, ma'am.
Is she
Always say-
working? Is she working?
No, ma'am. She is housewife.
She's housewife. So she never ever shown her interest to watch the movies in the theater.
Actually, ma'am, I have completed all the hobbies of my family. So they have no desire to go to the movie hall.
Oh my God. So there must be a special session. I really want to
ये
take
formula,
session
अरे
with all of
Pankaj,
you.
please pass on this formula to us.
Not in our
Actually-
family. सब email को बंदी कर लो.
Actually, it was fixed.
Okay. So now sometime now if I will get free now, so definitely I will take on this topic ना. Right. So अभी तो right now we have moved.
पंकज सर से ना वो मैम स्पेस के और सुनीता विलियम्स के और स्पोर्ट्स चैनल के क्वेश्चन पूछने चाहिए, मूवीज के नहीं पूछने
हाँ,
चाहिए।
yes. भाई उसमें हमारा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है संगीता. Then how we can ask the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the sentence
Before,
was.
ma'am, before the starting the movie,
Starting नहीं. ING
Started.
तो आना ही नहीं है.
started.
हाँ.
Before the movie had started,
When I reached the theater, the movie had started already.
The movie had started.
Had been started.
Before I
actually,
reached
ma'am, repeat again. What is the
The-
sentence?
the movie start हो चुकी थी जब मैं पिक्चर हॉल थिएटर पहुंचा.
Okay, ma'am. Let's try.
हम्म.
The movie had started before I reached the movie hall.
Very good. Munir, Pankaj has done a silly mistake. Have you identified that mistake?
I try, ma'am.
हाँ जी, try करो आप.
The movie had been going on before I reached on hall.
एक तो ये गोइंग ऑन से इतना काहे को प्यार है मुनीत. यहाँ पर पास्ट परफेक्ट यूज करना है. इसमें आईएनजी नहीं आता पास्ट परफेक्ट में. पास्ट
Movie
परफेक्ट
had
का स्टार्टर
started.
क्या होता
Movie
है?
had started.
मूवी हैड
Movie
बीन
had
स्टार्टेड.
started because someone
Movie had been
already
started.
started.
हाँ, guys,
When I reached here.
see, someone should be there to start a movie. If someone should be there to start a movie, always use be.
Ma'am, it's 3-2 na. Maybe the movie
हाँ,
automatically.
नहीं, ऐसा भी नहीं. Yes, it might be possible, Seema. Right. So the exact sentence is the movie had been started before I reached the
Cinema hall.
Hema. मेरे हस्बैंड के घर पहुंचने से पहले मैं खाना खा चुकी थी.
I had been taken. I had been
Eaten.
I had been eaten the food before my husband is reached.
Before my husband, past indefinite.
Before my husband reached at my home. At home.
आपके होम पे जाएंगे हेमा और किसके होम पे जाएंगे?
Actually, ma'am, I'm not married.
अच्छा, यू आर नॉट मैरिड. ठीक है, नहीं तब भी मैरिज के बाद भी आपके ही होम पे आएंगे हेमा और लेके जाएंगे. ओके. रीना.
Yes, ma'am.
Reena, again, complete this, make this sentence because Hema has done just silly mistake.
I had been finished my food before reached my husband.
Before
Reached my
यार एक
husband.
तो husband का नाम सुनते ना सारे sentences इधर उधर हो गए हैं. Anyone who wants to try?
When my husband
B.
arrived, I had eaten my food.
I had eaten my food. Guys, यहाँ पर तो doer है ना, doer कौन है? तो यहाँ पर तो doer है, तो why you are unnecessarily creating this sentence into the passive? पैसिव में हम जब बनाएंगे जब वहां पर कोई डूअर नहीं होता, उस काम को करने वाला कोई नहीं है. देखो मूवी अपने आप ही स्टार्ट नहीं होएगी तो चलो मैं सीडी में बॉक्स में चलती हूँ और अपने आप ही स्टार्ट हो जाती हूँ. समवन शुड बी देयर टू स्टार्ट दैट मूवी. बट यहाँ पर तो आई है ना, आई इज अ डूअर. सो आई हैड ईटन माई फूड बिफोर माई हस्बैंड रीच्ड. रीना सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट लगाएंगे देन वर्ब लगाएंगे. आपने क्या कर दिया, वर्ब के बाद आपने सब्जेक्ट लगाया. बिफोर रीच्ड माई हस्बैंड. Clear this thing?
Okay, ma'am.
Should we start the sentence? When my husband reached, I had eaten my food.
That is perfectly okay. That is perfectly okay. The train had left before I reached the railway station. ट्रेन निकल चुकी थी जब मैं रेलवे स्टेशन पर पहुंचा. The train had left. What is the next sentence? I had reached the examination hall before the examiner came. Examiner. Before the examiner came. I had reached the examination.
Ma'am,
बोलो.
ma'am, last sentence, red circle and blue, 1 and 2 is there, na, ma'am? What does it mean?
Well, what is 1 and 2? One means
Action
this
1
is
in
action
red,
1
action
and
2.
action 2.
Okay.
Action 1 and
in blue.
action.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So now I'm just ending the session right now. And now